Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the lunation chart of 7th May 2020. No, the lunation charts are very important for short-term predictions uh, in the mundane, and mostly, by the lunation charts we are able to see uh, the 15 days duration. There are in each month there are two lunation charts, and there are total 24 lunation charts, and the lunation charts they pinpoint the event in the coming 15 days. I will read it out what this what do you call this article, what I have written. Lunation chart, 7th May 2020. Stationary Saturn may put the stock and financial markets in enigmatic spiral. No, Saturn is turning retrograde on the 11th of May, and 5 days before that, it turns stationary. And a stationary planet like Saturn, it can pierce, it can almost pierce like a hole wherever he is placed. So it is very important, and it is connected to the fifth house and connected to the second house of the economy of the country. So it is going to adversely influence the economy of the country for these coming 15 days. So let us see. Now, the planetary positions in the fortnight starting from the 7th May are obscure since Saturn is stationary and aspects and influences the house connected to the economy of the country. This is also with reference to my earlier article of May June 2020. Retrograde planets may spiral the world into most enigmatic conditions, and these enigmatic conditions are also connected to the finance. And you can see for yourself that things are not going to be easy, and uh, uh, let me what do you call clarify each and every house in this and how it is going to behave. Let us see. And 1 minute. Yes, I've already written this letter. I've told you about this. And a very experienced expert astrologer uses the Paksh or the lunation chart for brilliant short-term predictions. And uh, instances have shown that stalwart Hardev Sharma Trivedi ji predicted about the Wall Street collapse of the October 1987 1 year in advance. The lunation chart can be used to predict the behavior of the stock and financial markets. Particularly, attention is given to the house where the lunation takes place, and matters pertaining to the house figure out prominently during the year. You see what is happening if the malefic planets are influencing that house, so it will be a negative effect. And if the benefic planets are influencing that house, it will be a positive effect. So, looking at the chart, you can see the chart yourself. The chart is not a very healthy one, and I will read it out for you, and you will see for yourself the conditions are extremely enigmatic. Now, what do you call? The day is Thursday and the Lord is Jupiter placed in the fifth house in debilitation. The day Lord should be strong. It is debilitated in the Yama of Virgo, and which is the sign of the Lagna at the time of the lunation chart. And the Yama Lord Mercury is placed in the 8th house with 12th Lord Sun is most malefic parameter for the fructification in this fortnight. The following parameters acquire important dimension. The day Lord is debilitated, as I mentioned, and placed in the 5th house with the 5th Lord. So the 5th house is also controlling the stock and the financial markets, the speculative markets. The day Lord is placed in the Yama of Virgo, the Lagna, and the Yama Lord is placed in the 8th house. The Lagna Lord is placed in the 8th house, and losses, house of losses, and with exalted Sun, which is the 12th Lord. This combination is most malefic for the fortnight. The Lagna Lord Mercury is placed in the 8th house and in the Yama of Scorpio. Now, the Scorpio sign is the 3rd house, and the 3rd house and the Lord is placed in the 6th house. This parameter indicates the concern for the third house of border clashes. So there may be border clashes between India and Pakistan. The lunation is taking place in the second house and aspected by Saturn from the fifth house. The moon is placed in the Yama of Pisces and the Lord is debilitated. Again, not good. Moon is not placed well. Wherever he is placed well, moon should be placed well as per a Yama chart and as per the lunation chart. The lunation moon and the Yama moon are in 6-8 axis is another parameter which shows deep concern for the house where the lunation is taking place. And it is connected to the fifth house by Saturn, who's aspecting the second house from the fifth house by 10th strong aspect, and that too in stationary motion. Mind you this, the yoga is Vyatipat, which is inauspicious, and the Lord is Rahu. It is ill placed from the sixth Lord Saturn. The yoga Lord should be placed well. If we have to see some virus or disease, the yoga Lord should be placed well from the sixth Lord and Ketu. Now, Rahu and Ketu are placed in 1-7 axis, it is okay. But Saturn is not neither placed well from Ketu, neither placed well from Rahu. So there will not be relief. And then the sixth lord from moon, sixth lord from moon is Jupiter, and Jupiter again not placed well from the yoga lord Rahu. So we do not get any respite as far as the COVID is concerned. The Karna lord is moon and connected to the should be connected to the 10th house, who is placed in the 8th house. The 10th lord is placed in the 8th house, Mercury, and again not good. So what is Karna? Karna lord, tells you how will be the things done. How will be this fortnight? Say for example, you give a cloth to a tailor who has to make your shirt. He will make your shirt, but when you wear it, it may not fit you. The collar may not fit you. It may be tight. So things will not be exactly what they should be. So the things will not be in a proper siddhi nahi hogi, कार्य सिद्धि नहीं होगी. So in Hindi they call it कार्य सिद्धि नहीं होगी. So second Lord Venus placed in the 9th house in own sign is very good, but it is placed in the Yama of Sagittarius, where Ketu is placed and in Mula Nakshatra, and the Lord is debilitated and it is connected to Venus. Extremely malefic parameter for the second house. So second house, second Lord, both suffer. So we can say here that the signification of the second house will be suffering. Saturn is in stationary mode. Now, since Saturn is in stationary mode, where are we? Saturn in stationary mode on the 7th of May and connected to the 5th, 7th, and 11th house and the second house. And the house of lunation may be put the country in death spiral for the signification of these houses. Ketu in the 4th house, the yoga lord in the 10th house, and no benefic in Kendra. The lunation chart is extremely weak one. The signification of the second house will be more prominent in this fortnight. What are the significations? Financial condition of the nation, revenue of the state, national exchanger and national wealth, economy of the country, capacity to invest in stock and bonds, general gain and losses, financial transactions, banks and trade, export and imports. Afflicted moon in the second house, since having aspect of Saturn from the fifth house, draw heavily on the national resources due to emergencies. The second Lord placed in the 9th house, aspected by debilitated Jupiter, spoil the complete show of the second house and second Lord. Debilitated and malefic planets connected to 7th house will spoil the signification of the second house. 5th house, all forms of pleasure will be sealed. You know, Saturn is stationary. So what will happen? The lockdown order will be reimposed for national players. We will not be able to enjoy, we will not be able to go to the theater, we will not be able to go to the mall. So stock exchange can have a beating, danger to the ruler, because it is the 8th house from the 10th house. It is stationary planet, and since schools and places of education will be closed, they will be sealed. immorality and scandals will erupt. Now, seventh house is house of import and export and foreign affairs and warfare, international affairs, anti-social elements and anti-social elements, immorality in the country. Now, 11th house is agreement of foreign contracts, ambassadors sent to foreign countries, gain from other nations. This fortnight is an enigmatic one and full of anguish and pain, and we will not get any relief from coronavirus. This is what is the nutshell. This is what I wanted to say. This fortnight is not good. Saturn stationary connected to the fifth house, second house, seventh house, 11th house is most enigmatic, and a stationary planet like Saturn, he can pierce a hole. So friends, May has come and you have to be cautious as far as the investment part is concerned. Please read my disclaimer note, because I am not responsible if anybody loses money or anything. I am not responsible for it, and it is purely on astrological basis, and it's not my personal uh, advice or anything. So, friends, with that, I close here and I wish you best of luck and let's hope for the best. Thank you. Bye bye.